There comes a time when we reach a point in life where we could all benefit from a little extra support. The seca 777 series offers an easy-to-mount handrail that provides the security some patients require during simple procedures like determining their weight. This idea is not new. Other scales, who shall remain nameless, also offer a retrofit handrail for their models. But let's be honest, who on your team is gonna drill into the scale? Apply this adhesive tape
and deal with the complaints about not being able to clean it properly.
The 777 handrail mounts directly to the original platform and doesn't require an annoying adjustment of the height measurement rod caused by adding a retrofitted handrail platform to the... You don't have time for poor craftsmanship. The seca 777 with the handrail accessory is the perfect choice for any medical facility. What do you mean one at a time?